Did you know that you can trade Forex with a BTC account? Go to fondex.pro and click the Start Trading Now button. Enter your email address, password, and phone number, and click Create Account. You will be asked to activate your account, which includes filling in a questionnaire and uploading your identification documents. Click the Deposit button on the left side menu. Copy the BTC address and send your desired BTC amount. Once your account is funded, you can place your first trade. Go to your watch list and select the FX pair you want to trade. We will be trading GBP USD. Navigate to the Active Symbol panel on the right. Here you can access more information on your selected symbol. Choose if you want to buy or sell and what is your trading volume. You can check the pip value and estimated margin in BTC by hovering over the volume field. Click Place Order. You can monitor your position in the Trade Watch, where your balance, equity, and margin appears in BTC. Fondex Pro, reinventing the way you trade.